today we're going to be looking at a prepared slide of dandelion fuzz. Dandelions are often dismissed as just weeds, but they actually, can be used in salads and are actually edible. Isn't that amazing? All right, so let's take a closer look at the fuzz of the dandelion seed. Yeah, this is also scientifically known as the pappus, and it is a collection of fine hair-like structures attached to the seeds. Yeah, let's see if we can get it a little more into focus. This remarkable adaptation is what enables the seed to be carried away by the wind for widespread dispersal. And under the microscope, the dandelion pappus reveals an intricate and fascinating detail that highlights the plant's evolutionary. Let's try and get some into focus. Yeah, so this dandelion pollen is a sight to behold because it's kind of like spiky and kind of cool texture to look at under the microscope. Now we're gonna move over here and take a little more look over here. Yeah. Oh wow, would you look at that? That's so cool. So dandelions actually have latex vessels. And these latex vessels are one of the more distinctive features of the dandelion. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, they appear to be like bright, winding channels throughout the plant's stem and roots. And it carries a milky latex that is actually meant to deter herbivores. And you can also use this milky substance for its medicinal properties. So the filament structure of the fuzz is basically a slender filament. Let's take a look. Under magnification, it appears to be both strong and flexible. And these filaments are basically engineered by nature to be lightweight yet durable enough to carry the seeds to their next destination. So the feathery appearance of the structure is basically a design that maximizes and makes it more efficient at catching wind. So if you take a closer look and you actually look at the base of the pappus, you're going to see how each filament is securely attached. And this connection is crucial for ensuring that the seed remains attached while it's being carried to its next destination. Let's see if we can get it a little more in focus. Wow. Hi guys, thanks for joining me today and looking at dandelion fuzz under the microscope. I had so much fun. It's always so cool to see all the tiny little worlds under a microscopic view. So if you like me and you like this content, why don't you send me a direct message?